Hey, it's Jeff Ornoa. Today I wanted to share a free tool with you that will help you to basically figure out how much money you'll actually make from PLR products when you buy them, okay? This simple tool, I've always thought about it. So one day I just said, hey, why don't I just create this? So this will help a lot of people. And so basically what you'll do is you just click the link below this video in the YouTube video, and it'll take you to plrproductsforsale.com. This is just one of my websites. If you're on a desktop, you just come right here to free tools and scroll down. You'll see free PLR Profit Calculator. If you're on basically a mobile, it'll be over here in this little drop-down box. And then you can just click on there. So just go to free PLR Profit Calculator. And this is super, super simple. We've got information that kind of explains how it works, but it really is simple. So you just basically come right here. Let's say you buy a PLR product for $100, and let's say you want to sell it for $50. Okay, so let's say you want to make 100 sales. So we'll just click right there. Whoops. And it says 100 sales. So we can just click calculate the profit that you'll make. So you spent $100 on getting it. You want to charge $50 and you want to sell it to 100 people. So right here, total revenue is $5,000. Since you paid $100, it takes off $100. So your profit was $4,900, which return of investment, which is ROI, which is 4,900%. Huge. So I just made this calculator. Like I said, a lot of people, ask, hey, how do I figure this out? So I wanted something super simple because, like I said, you could do this on a calculator, but it takes a few more steps. And I just wanted to make it easier for you guys. So like I said, I made this PLR Profit Calculator that instantly estimates your earnings with PLR products that you can rebrand and do whatever you want with them. And like I said, this is plrproductsforsale.com. This is one of my newer sites. It's a little bit over a year old. And you can just come right over here and you can take a look here. And then you can fill out right here your name and email, and you can save 50% off lifetime on any of the products and services that we have. You can just click right here and see different topics right here. Then you can scroll right here. We actually have, let me just scroll down here. There's an easier way to do it, but I'm just going to take you here. We have a whole bunch of different checklists that will really help you out and save you a lot of time figuring out, what you're going to do. But basically right here is there's 20 ultimate digital marketing checklists. So you can just click right there, and you scroll down and you come right here and you can actually see all these right here, okay? And you can download any of these. So basically what you can do also is you can come over here to categories. All right, you can scroll down here and here is the link again. And then here they are right here, all 20 of them. You can click on any one of these and get it for 100% free. So I hope you enjoyed this video that I showed you, the free PLR Profit Calculator. Make sure you share this video, like it, and show other people because this can save people a lot of time. Share it on your different social media networks. And stay tuned. I've got, I think, another 4 different free tools that's going to help you in your business. I know a couple of them are with Etsy, so a lot of people have Etsy shops, and this will help you out a lot. I know, I think 2 of these tools I made for my wife, okay? So stay tuned. Thanks again for watching this video. Like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.